Welcome to Pesky Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Come back concerning the check engine light. I believe for the transmission is done already. The same car, you see the transmission is done. But now my job is on those codes. If you notice here, we have everything except this one, this one, P1800, and this is VIAS SV Circuit Bank 1. We disconnect something. I went there, if you remember, for the first video. We check and we say maybe this is the code. This is the code, but maybe this is not the piece we look for. Maybe the piece is something else. Ok. Je vais fermer ça, clarifier ça, après vous débrancher. Huh? Oh, thank you. Okay, now we are here. I don't believe this is related to I believe this is another sensor with a different way, P0800. So I'm going to clear the codes and see. I'm going to clear the codes and see what happened. I just want to know if that code going to go away. All the code can come back. Maybe this one will go away. So I'm going to erase it. Execute. From the full functions here, you can do all the work you want. I'm going to go again. You see that piece gone. I'm gonna start it, but we're gonna have a battery sensor code and crankshaft sensor code. You see now here, the battery sensor coming, crankshaft sensor, battery sensor, a swirl, tumbler, control position. We have those codes. We have intake manifold code. Those they repeat themselves, and all is in the engine. So that code never come. Okay, now the branch. Disconnect that one. Muhammad, disconnect that sensor. Let's disconnect this. What code gonna come? Hello. Yeah, take it out. Okay. We're gonna take this one here. You see, we're gonna wait a little bit. I wanna know what's gonna come. I don't know if that's the one or no. Let me turn the car off. No. No, P1800 never show up again. So maybe that is not. Okay, maybe that piece is for that sensor. I don't know how come. Yeah, the brush is not through. No, the sensor brush. Okay. I don't see anything. ABS also we have crank signal, but I don't see anything come from that because the car cranked a long time or because of the crank sensor. So we're gonna work with that swirl, tumbler, control position sensor. We need to know where it is, how it's working. Intake manifold, runner position sensor bank 1, battery current sensor. We have to tell the customer what we see here, and then we go through it. We're gonna stop here for now. We can come back after we spend some time. Thank you.